The Lighthouse Hydro Grow Tent, 48 inch by 24 inch by 60 inch assembly instructions. Step 1. Unpack and check the contents of the box. Your box should contain 1 48 inch by 24 inch by 60 inch Mylar fabric shell, 1 48 inch by 24 inch
by 3 inch Mylar spill floor,
2 50 inch hanging straps,
2 F heavy-duty light hangers, 1 E heavy-duty crossbar, 4 44 and 7/8 inch A width poles, 4 29 and 1/4 inch B male height poles, 4 29 and 1/4 inch C female height poles, 4 21 and 1/4 inch D depth poles,
8 metal corner joints. Step 2. Assemble the bottom rectangle frame.
Take 2 A poles and 2 D poles and 4 corner joints, then attach them together to form the bottom frame.
Use a rubber mallet if necessary. Make sure the black plastic base of the corner joints is touching the floor. Attach the 4 vertical B poles into the corner joints. Attach the 4 vertical C poles into the B poles. Attach the top frame to the vertical height poles. Place the assembled frame into the bottom of the Mylar fabric shell. Wrap the tent frame with the Mylar fabric shell and zipper it together. Attach the heavy-duty crossbar to the top frame. Attach the 2 heavy-duty light hangers to the top frame. Finish zippering the tent.